Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth. Here we do cleaning motivation videos, and I come to you with how I keep my floors tidy and at least looking clean on a daily basis. So on a weekend, I do a thorough cleaning on Saturday or Sunday, one of the days. And during the week, I just sweep here and there when I see some soil, because I don't have pavement outside. So we tend to come with soil with the shoes in the house. So normally on a Saturday, before I can do a thorough cleaning, right now it's winter and the soil gets wet and it tends to stick under the shoes. Then you come with it in the house. So what I do is I keep my broom closer, and my mop is always wet, so that I can keep on wiping off, because tiles accumulate dirt so faster. And a small house, guys, there is no excuse. A small house gets dirty now and then. It gets dirty so fast, and especially when there is no pavement outside, you step from the soil right into the house. I do have something like a step. It's not, I cannot call it stoop or patio, because it's so small. So at least when you have lapa or a bigger patio, the soil and other things that is carried by shoes will at least be left outside the patio when you wipe from the mat or whatever it is that you put from outside before you enter the house. So in my case, you wipe from that step, and immediately you enter the house, and you find sometimes the shoes are not properly wiped. So I always keep my broom ready so that I can sweep the floor, especially at the door, and keep my mop wet all the time, so that I can keep on wiping while we go, so that I keep this house clean. Even if I can get lazy, I just know it's a little bit tidy up, because tiles, you can see dirt like right there and there. And because over the weekend I will be with my kids, my son is 4 years old. He is turning 4 years old on the 16th of June, which is next week at the time of recording this video. He likes playing on the floor, like barely on the floor. So in my water, I put in a little bit of bleach. I put a Dettol, which is a disinfectant, and I think it's highly handy, because it's a disinfectant. It disinfects the floor, since my son likes playing with his toys on the floor. So that's how I manage my home every now and then, especially on a weekend. So if you like this kind of videos where I have short clips like this, please comment down below. Tell me how you manage your floor. Do you regularly mop your floor, or let me just wipe like I'm doing now, or you just wait until you have that thorough cleaning of the day? Because on my side, I cannot wait for thorough cleaning of the day, since the house is too small and accumulates dirt now and then. The thorough cleaning, I do it in the afternoon when I know we are all relaxed, and the house will be good for the remaining of the day and tomorrow. Then we start over again the following day. So do enjoy this video. Subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of cleaning motivation videos, so do go and watch them to see fully how I clean my house. So I hope you enjoy, and please share this video. I love you so much, and thank you for the support. Thank you for everything. The channel is going far with you guys. I love you, and I will see you on my next video. And on this on at the end of this video, there will be short videos like this, so please wait until the video is finished so that you can go and watch them, or alternatively you can go to my playlist and check them out. I love you so much, guys. Like I said, I thank you for the support and everything. And in my bedroom, my bedroom, I do always clean it once. I don't do regularly mopping to keep it clean like that, because we don't normally spend a lot of time in the bedroom. We spend a lot of time in the kitchen. That's where it's getting dirty now and then. So I will see you guys. I've been talking a lot right now and the video has come to an end. Thank you for joining me and bye.
And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we go?